Welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet link for later use. Maybe you want to start a Google Meet, but you just want to create the link there and share with your friends or colleagues so that the meeting can start later. Now, to do this, if you have already logged into your Gmail account, you will see this app icon. But if not, you can also go to meet.google.com. So when you come to the meet.google.com, so here you see your landing page. So now when you come to the landing page, we have new meeting and we have enter a code or a link. This is when you have already a meeting link or code that you want to join. But in our case, we're going to see how to create a new link. So when you tap on the new meeting, we have create a meeting for later. That means you can create a link and then later use it. You can also start an instant meeting, probably if you want to just start a meeting at a go. And this is to use schedule. That is to schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. So any of this you can choose. So here we're going to try it with a create a meeting link for later use. So when you tap on it, then you see this link. So actually this is the link that we are going to use to join our meeting. So you can send this thing to the people that you want them to join you. So let me just copy this. So you need to make sure that you copy this link somewhere because you might use this thing when you want to start the meeting. All right. So that is how you can create Google Meet link for later use. So if you are ready to start a meeting, what you have to do is that you can just put in the code in. You will be the one to host it and others can join as well. So feel free, if this video has been very helpful, please give it a thumb up. Don't forget to share this video to help others. And please subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time.